In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files on Copilot Chatbox. If you want to share a document, image, or another file directly in Copilot, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect once the file picker opens. To begin, open Copilot and go to the chat area. Once you're in the chat box, look around the message field for the plus sign. It is usually located on the left side of the chat box, and this is the button you'll use to attach something. If you don't notice it right away, just take a second to scan the edge of the message area carefully, because that's where attachment options are normally placed. When you find the plus sign, click on it. A small menu should appear with attachment options. From there, choose the option that says Add Images or Files. This tells Copilot that you want to upload something from your device into the conversation. After you click that option, your File Explorer will open automatically. Once the File Explorer opens, browse to the location where your file is saved. This could be in your Downloads folder, Desktop, Documents folder, or any other place on your device. Select the file you want to use, then confirm your choice so it gets added to the chat box. After that, the file should appear as an attachment in the chat, ready to be sent along with your message. There's also another quick method you can use if you prefer something faster. Instead of clicking through the File Explorer, you can click and drag a file directly from your computer into the Copilot chat box. Once you release it in the chat area, Copilot should attach it automatically. This is especially useful if you already have the file visible on your screen and want to save a few clicks. If the file doesn't appear right away, make sure you dropped it into the actual chat box area and not somewhere outside of it. It's also a good idea to wait a moment for larger files since they can take a little longer to load. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the plus sign is and how to use the Add Images or Files option, attaching files in Copilot becomes quick and easy.